welcome back. Now in our last video we have seen modeling of concrete staircase. Now in our today's video we are going to see further correcting this staircase as per our design requirement, okay, or just editing the reinforcement in this staircase, okay. So for this, let's consider this section view of the staircase where the reinforcement in the staircase is shown. Like this depth is given as a 185 mm, then this bars are given as a 10 mm at the rate of 380 mm center to center at the top side as well as at the bottom side, then secondary reinforcement and all, okay. So let's model this reinforcement in our Tekla staircase model, okay. So just see over here, I will just change the thickness of this, okay. Just select this reinforcement or this stair component, okay. It will take certain time to open up, okay. Now here you can see, if you see, there are different bars are given, bar K, bar L, then bar, stairs, landings, similarly bar A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So these are the different types of bars which is provided in the staircases. So let's edit this as per the requirement. I will just change the thickness of this slab, okay. Just click on modify. Now let's start for editing one by one. So let's go to first of all parts over here, okay. So here you can see I have keep the by default this values as a 0, 0, okay. Then stairs and landings, so here the distance of landings and all that you can mention over here, right. Then next ridges, if you are want any kind of ridges over here like chamfer, then you can add the ridge values at these locations. Then stringes, if along this sides of the staircase if you want to provide any kind of stringes, then you can just select this as, let's say suppose if I am selecting the both sides, okay, and then just click on modify. You can just see in the model that ridges are provided, okay. So right now we don't want this, click on modify, right. Then next just go to the stringer bars. So here if you are providing any stringers, that is nothing but side view, the reinforcement which is provided in that one, okay. So directly we go to the bar A reinforcement. Now you can see bar A means this top line reinforcement, okay. So now as per our figure you can see this top reinforcement is shown over here, and the value of this reinforcement is given as a 10 mm at the rate of 380 center to center, okay. So let's mark this, okay. So here these are yes, whether these bars are provided, yeah, that we have to select yes. Grade of material, then here you can just select the diameter of bar. Let's suppose I am taking a 500 grade, then 10 mm 5 bar main bars, okay. Then name stair rebar, okay. Then how these bars are get provided, so it will be provided in selecting by means of spacing, and the spacing value is given as a 380 mm, okay. Just click on modify. Then next we are going for bar B. So bar B is nothing but the bar which is provided at the bottom side. So in the figure if you see at bottom side, this main reinforcement bar is provided as a 12 mm at the rate of 190 mm center to center. So let's model this, yes, it is 12 mm again bottom bar, okay. Now no hook, if you want to provide any kind of hook over here, you can just provide this hook like this, okay, or even can provide at the end side like this, okay. Now here you can just select over here again by spacing, and the spacing is given as a 190 mm, okay. And then we are clicking on modify. can see this bottom side bar. Okay, this span which is provided in these different shapes. Okay, as per the requirement you can just select the shape over here. So by default whatever it is, I'm just keeping right now the same one. Okay, I'm just selecting over here, in here, like here, this extended bar, right? And the size of this bar is given as a 12 mm at the rate of 200 mm center to center, this one. Okay, so 12 mm at the rate of 380 mm center to center. Okay, this length bar, so I will just select that. Yes, the diameter is taken as a 12 mm main bars. Okay, then it will be again provided by spacing at the rate of 380 mm center to center. Okay, just click on modify. Okay, next we go to the bar D. So bar D is this type of bar. So right now in our figure, if you see, such type of bar is not required over there or not provided over there. So we just click on over here, no. Okay, then modify. Next we are going for bar E. So bar E is again like this, the stirrups are there. Okay, which is provided at these landings. So here in our case, can see here, this will be provided, stirrups are not provided over there. Okay, so we are not providing that, then we are making this as a no. Next go to the bar F. Okay, this type of reinforcement which is also not available in our design, so again no. Bar G, that is nothing but this reinforcement which is provided at this end. Okay, so here the bar G, this is also not required, so I will just click on this no. You can use this screen controller to keep or make this screen up and down. Okay, I have already shared the video related to installation of this screen controller, how to install it from Tekla warehouse, and then further how to apply and use it. Okay, next go to the bar H. Now you can see bar H is nothing but these dots. Okay, the rebar dots. So now if you go to the figure, you can see at the top side or at the bottom side where it is there, it is shown at this bottom side. Okay, so at the bottom side in the figure you can see these rebars are provided at a distance of 8 mm fiber at a distance of 220 mm center to center. So we just make that, yes, 8 mm bar. Again by spacing we are providing it, so here you have to just select here by spacing, and the distance is given as a 220 mm center to center. Okay, and then just need to, again we are providing this as a straight line. Okay, we are not applying any kind of hooks for that. Line modify. Then next we are going for bar I, that is nothing but the dots in the landing. Okay, so you can see here dots in the landing is the value having 12 mm at the rate of 200 mm center to center. So here selecting this 12 mm, again we are selecting this by spacing. Okay, so this spacing that is provided over here, so I will just make this as a, how much it is, just check it out in the figure, it is at 200 mm center to center. So I will just make this value as a 200 mm. Okay, Then next is our bar J. Okay, so J is nothing but the bars which is provided over here, which is not there in our screen. So I will just click it on as a node. Okay, then next is bar K. So bar K is nothing but the bar which is provided over here. Let's say again bar N. So bar K is this bar which is provided over here. Okay, so now you can see in this the bar K is nothing but this upper landing bar which is provided again at 10 mm at the rate of 380 mm center to center. Just select this 10. Okay, and then selecting this as a 380 mm center to center. Okay, and then lastly bar L. Okay, so bar L is nothing but these bars. Okay, so if you see the figure, these bars are provided over here. Okay, in each step these bars are provided there. These are having 8 mm at the rate of 200 mm center to center. So we'll just take it as a 8 mm, and here just set this bar spacing 200 mm center to center, or here you can see, yes, all the bars the same. Okay, and the way you want, you can just adjust this position as well. Okay, and then click on one. Okay, once you're done with this all settings, apply. Okay, now here, as we have already done the settings for one plate, and if you want to copy it for another one, then just here you can save this as, let's say, flight 1. Okay, so you can see now this is get available in this scroll window or in this list, that is nothing but F1. Okay, and we just need to go for apply. Okay, now if you want to add the same kind of dimension or same kind of reinforcement in this upper plate also, then you just need to select this plate, double click on that component. Okay, and then no need to view each and every setting over here. What you have to do, just you need to go over here, and I'm just adding the F1 template and load that. Okay, once I load this, all the properties which we have already assigned over there, those are get assigned over here. Okay, only the thing is that if you have made any changes over here, then those you have to do it fully. Okay, and then click on apply. Okay, so likewise we can add the reinforcement in the staircase as per the design. Okay, and now you can see the reinforcement is get added. I will just render this as a wireframe. Okay, you can see the reinforcement is added over here, the top reinforcement as well as the bottom reinforcement. Okay, likewise. you. Next time we can see few more videos related to this. Okay, till that, thank you so much.